Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got something really special for you football fans and Messi supporters. We're taking a closer look at the Inter Miami CF Messi 10 away jersey, La Noche edition. Trust me, you can already feel that this isn't just a jersey, it's a statement. The black design with those sleek accents instantly stands out. It's bold, modern, and perfect for repping Messi in style. Now check this out. The Inter Miami crest pops beautifully against the dark base, and the pink detailing gives it that Miami nightlife vibe, which is why they call it La Noche. On the back, of course, you've got the iconic Messi 10, bold and unmissable. Honestly, this is more than a jersey. It feels like a piece of history. Comfort-wise, it's lightweight and breathable, made with Adidas's Aero-Ready tech, so whether you're in the stands, playing a match, or just rocking it casually, you'll stay cool. The fit is athletic, but not too tight. It's one of those jerseys you'll want to wear all the time, not just on game days. Let's be real, Messi wearing Inter Miami colors changed football in the US forever. This La Noche jersey isn't just merchandise, it's a symbol of his legacy and impact. Owning this is like owning a piece of that magi. The stitching is clean, the fabric feels premium, and the pink accents really shine under the light. It doesn't feel like one of those cheap knockoff jerseys. This is the real deal. You can tell Adidas put real effort into making this jersey worthy of Messi and his fans. And here's something else. This jersey isn't just for the pitch. Pair it with jeans, joggers, or even shorts, and you've got a stylish streetwear look. With Messi's name on the back, it instantly becomes a conversation starter wherever you go. Trust me, people will notice. For collectors, this jersey is a must-have. Messi's move to Inter Miami is a once-in-a-lifetime moment in football history, and this La Noche edition is like a time capsule. Years from now, this won't just be a jersey. It'll be a memory of the moment Messi lit up US football. So overall, the Inter Miami CF Messi 10 away jersey, La Noche edition, is more than worth it. The design is stunning, the comfort is top-notch, and the emotional value is unmatched. Whether you're a diehard Messi fan, a jersey collector, or just someone who loves stylish sportswear, this one deserves a spot in your wardrobe. A lot of people ask me where I buy my jerseys and tracksuits, especially when they see how good they look. Well, this one is from kitsock.com, and that's the website I want to share with you today. Kitsock.com is a dedicated online store for sportswear lovers. From football jerseys and retro kits to modern tracksuits and training gear, they've got a wide variety to choose from. Whether you support a European club, a national team, or you're just looking for stylish training clothes, Kitsock has something for you. And right now, they're offering big sales, so it's the perfect time to shop. The craftsmanship really shows in the embroidery, the prints, and the material they use. The tracksuits also stand out because they're stylish enough for daily wear while being comfortable enough for training. Kitsock makes sure you're not just wearing sports clothing, you're wearing gear that feels premium. Behind the site is a team that clearly understands sports fans. They know what supporters want and make sure the collections cover clubs, countries, and special editions. Their customer support is also reliable. They're quick to answer questions about sizing, shipping, or product details, which is very important when buying sportswear online. Kitsock really stands out. Compared to official retail stores, their pricing is much more affordable. You can grab your favorite team's jersey or a tracksuit at a fraction of the cost without compromising on quality. Plus, with their sales and promotions, you can save even more and expand your football collection. So that's today's unboxing and a quick look at kitsock.com. If you're a football fan and you love collecting jerseys or wearing stylish tracksuits, I definitely recommend checking them out. I'll leave the link in the description so you can explore their collection and grab something during their sale. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more unboxings and reviews, and let me know in the comments which jersey or team kit you'd like to see me unbox next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.